Namaskar friends. Today our topic is quantitative aptitude techniques. Happy learning to everyone. Friends, this today main topic is number system. Number system is very fundamental and basic to know about the mathematics, especially the people appearing for competitive examination. Friends, you are very well aware the time for solving the questions just 30 seconds. So unless we know the fundamental basic of the number system, then only we can appear the examination. Our ambition, our focus, just not merely the passing the examination. You have to score the examination with high marks since competition is very huge. So best wishes, best of luck to all the participants. So let us go to the topics. So first number system. So classification of numbers. So just everyone knows the subject. So we are refreshing our all the mathematics, fundamental mathematics, basic mathematics. You studied your elementary schools. So this is the class for refreshing your mind. Okay, friends. Classification of number. First is natural number. Natural number. All you are aware that number is 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. That is whole integer like this other than 0. So that is called our natural number. Of course, if you add 0, then it is called whole number. So another integer. See, whole number is generally positive 0 and integer is includes negative also. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 like this and rational number. Friends, rational number it should be expressed in clearly, that is a 5 by 8, 7 by 8, any p by q, where it is a p and q are integers. So that is a rational number. So irrational number. Irrational number, friends, you know the definition of the, you already studied. However, that is the number which cannot be ended, that is the digit cannot be ended, like 5. 5 is a 22 by 7. If we divide it by 22 by 7, it goes 3.1415 like this, 15 like this. It is never ending. So it is called 5. Another example is also root 2. Root 2 also we can say that is irrational number. So friends, so we have classified natural number, whole number, integer, rational, irrational. But main thing is our number is prime number. And even number also there. Even number, 2 multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. And odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is the odd number. So our main topic we are going to cover is prime number. See, prime number is very important and everyone knows in Tamil we say Pagayan. That is in Tamil we will say Pagayan, prime numbers and composite number. So friends, what is the prime number? So prime number is a natural number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So this is the number, it cannot, there is no factors. For example, you take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 31. In this number, there is no factors. This cannot be divided by any number. Even if you take 3, 5, 7, 11 also, it cannot be divided. So this is called prime number. And composite number, other than prime number, is composite number. So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, these are the composite number. Why means the factor is there. 4, we can divide into 2 into 2, 6, 3 into 2. So the number is having the factor. So the definition is very clear. People should know what is the prime number. It is not having any factors. That is one factor, that is 1 or by itself. Friends, very important thing, 1 is not the prime number. So that is a very unique quality. It is not neither composite number, prime number. So always number 1. Not only you, the number also having the unique characteristics. So the number 1. And friends, co-prime number. This is a very another topic in prime number. Even though it is not related to co-prime number, these two numbers which is having the factor only 1 or the itself. For example, 3, 4, where 4 is a composite number, where 3, 4, where there is no common factor. So 3 cannot be divided by any other factors of 4. 4 can be divided by 2, but 3 cannot be. So they don't have any common factors. They are called co-prime number. Friends, we are given the chart, prime number. How to find the prime number? It is very easy. So I made, so up to 6. I will tell you why I made it 6. There is one chart where 1 to 6. So I made it 100. 1 to 100, you put it like this. This is the exercise how to find the prime number 1 to 100. You can extend up to 200, 300 by extending the number. Simply for your, say, I made it in presentation 1 to 100. So just you put the chart, then in this up to 7, you select the prime number. That is, 1 don't select, 1 we already told it is not the prime number, 2, 3, 5, 7, up to 7. I will tell you why I have chosen the 7 also, okay, later. So 1 to 100, mark the cells 2, 3, 5, 7, strike out this thing. So why I strike all these things 2, 3, 4, 6, 2 in this column, all this thing and all multiples of 2, even number 8, 14, 20. So I am vertically I have striked all these things, and 3 also multiple of 3, 4 also I have striked, and 6 also. These 4 columns I eliminated. So our front prime number is lying with 1 and 5 columns. Again we have to do sorting out. Okay friends. So why I am telling up to 7? So less than 10. Since we are calculating up to 100, so less than 10. 100 is less than 10 squared. So 10 means up to 10. How many prime numbers are? 1, 2, 3. 3, 5, 7. So that's why I selected 7. And 6 also I will tell you later why I restricted the column 6 also. Okay friends. Then strike down the cells diagonally also. Now what will happen? 2, 3 we already made this, we have striked out. Now 5 you diagonally across 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 we are making diagonally also. Okay friends. So this is the way how to find out the prime numbers. Okay, then so 5 that this exercise over. Now we are going for 7 also. 7 multiples of, you make it another diagonal also. So this first blue is a blue strike, it consists of 5 multiple. Now this yellow 14, 21, 28, 28 like this, 39, 42. If you cross it yellow, then we up to 98 we are done. Left out single numbers are prime numbers. So friends, left out like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, whatever the remaining thing are the prime number other than 1. Okay, 1 is not the prime number again. So all other numbers are prime number. This is example. Simply I am showing how we have to find the prime numbers. Friends, you should know the prime numbers up to 100. See all the questions, definitely there will be a questions in the number system. It consists of prime numbers. This is a basic you have to know which are the prime number, composite number, co-prime number, prime number. Unless you know the basic, definitely you cannot go for the further answers. And even the question paper consists of what is the prime number, and directly or indirectly also you should know. So these are the characteristics of prime number. What is the prime number? I already told you friends, 1 is not the prime number because it has 2 equal factors. So 1 is always unique. You should also be unique, the number should also be unique. That is our focus, our aim. 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the prime number, but that is the only even prime number. 3, any prime number, and another character is third. Any prime number greater than 3 can be written as 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. Friends, you can apply this formula. Just you take the chart, you go with this 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1, you apply this thing, that will consist the characters. Okay friends, so prime number, we will have some examples so that at least you will have a clear idea about the prime number, how to find the prime number, like this. Suppose the examples they will ask directly. Some questions that they are asking, even bank clerk examination also, what is 881, whether it is a prime number or not. So friends, what we have to do, so 881 we have to take, this is less than any squares, suppose less than 30 squares. So 881, we should 30 squares is 900, so this is less than 80 squares. So out of 30, what are the prime number less than 30? You don't take 30, of course 30 is a composite number, less than 30, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, 19, 23, 29. So this 881, it is not divided by all these numbers. So next presentation, we will go for the divisibility rules also. So for example, now you see the 881 is not divisible by all these things, so that is a prime number. Okay friends, now we will go another example also like this. Which of these are co-prime number? I already told you 2, 8, 4, 5, 9, 12, 12, 15. These are the which are the co-prime number. So for example, you take 2, 8. 8 is a consists of 2, 4, 6, 8. So that there are factors that is common. And another number 9, 12, 3. 9 can be expressed 3 into 3, 12 is 4 into 3. So 3 is a common factor. 12, 15, 4 into 3, 15 is 5 into 3. So they are having the common factors. So they are not co-prime numbers. 4, 5 is the only co-prime number. Friends, you are aware? 5 is a prime number, but 4 is not the prime number. So co-prime number and prime number is different. So 4, 5 number is a these are the called as the pair is called the co-prime number. So which number is the prime? Neither prime or composite? Definitely, everyone can easily say that is answer is 1. Okay, 1 is a neither prime number nor this thing. Which of the following is a prime number? See, they given the answer 147, 149, 437, 319, 567. Friends, simply go the answers. See, leave alone, 5, 6, 7. You add the digits, 5 plus 6, 11, 18. So it is divided by 3. What are the, it cannot be prime number. So if you go for this number, just like for your exercise, 149 I made it less than 13. So 13 is not dividing, you take all the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So that is not divided by 149. So that is the prime number. You go for this thing, 319. So 319 as per the divisibility rule that we will explain in the later also, it is divisible by our 11. So like this other number also divisible by some other number. Just you go for the exercise. These are the methods for finding out the prime number. So the prime, another this type of question why I am saying, these are the repeatedly they are asking in the competitive examinations, especially in the bank examinations. The prime number dividing 109, leaving a remainder 4 in each case, or 5 and 7, 2 and 11, 3 and 8, 11 and 12. Friends, the question is very straightforward. There is nothing. Simply they have put one rider, the prime number dividing 109, leaving a remainder 4. So when the remainder is 4, simply deduct this number 4 from the 109. So 109, if you less this 4, then resultant answer is 105. Definitely 5 into 5 7. Or see, 105 means the last digit is 5. This will be divided by 5. And friends, you are aware the 105 is divisible by 7 also. So 5 and 7 is these things. Thank you friends for your patient hearing. Thank you. Again my request, please go through the slide. What are the problems? What are the doubts you are having in the mind? You can come to us by we are in mail or even any other mode of the communications. You can speak to us. Only thing is practice should be a habit. See, it is not only for the examination point of view, it is for your knowledge sake. Fundamentally you should start. Why we have started with the number system? Number system is the basic fundamental knowledge for everything. This is the foundation course. So just a fundamental is a foundation subject. So you should know very clearly about all the number, what is that natural number, what is this real number, what is our composite number, then what is the rational number, what is the irrational number, like this you should know. Main thing, prime number. See, so many questions they will ask the prime number. See, natural numbers, composite numbers and all, you know that. Natural numbers and all the things you know. Only prime number they will ask the questions. This direct question they will ask. So that's why we are given so many importance to the prime number. How to prime number the chart. You should know up to 1 to 100. What is, I have given the chart. Please do practice in your house or everywhere. This how to find out the number 1 to 100. And 1 to 100 you should be very familiar, which is by seeing the number itself you should know this is the prime number or this thing. And also friends, what is the composite number, co-prime number, that also we already explained. And how to find the prime number also we already explained. And we have given that prime number characteristic. So what is the prime number? It is not divisible by any other factors unless it is divisible by 1, that is their number, 1 or itself, that is a prime number. There is no factors, that's all, very simple. And another 2 is the only even prime number, that also we are told. And any other prime number greater than 3 can be written as 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. Just to take one prime number, you apply this formula, you can find it also. Friends, another we already given some examples also how to find these only some 2 or 3 examples you can find out. See, you take some other this thing. We will send some exercise also. We will send some materials, study materials to your mail, so that please practice. Practice should be happy. Daily you have to devote at least 1 hour for the quantitative aptitude. Don't fear of this by mere numerical ability. It is very easy unless you have to devote some time and you have to practice, and by practice you can do anything. Thank you, friends. Happy learning again, and all the best. Thank you.